Hello everyone. So today our topic of discussion is causes of abnormal child development. So this answer your queries that why a child can growth can become abnormal so that you can avoid all of these things and have a normal pregnancy and normal childbirth. So first of all, the most important and the most common cause is genetic causes like Down syndrome, Turner syndrome, Fragile X syndrome. So these syndromes occur and have increased chances of occurring due to increased mother age, especially after 35 years of age. Then the prenatal causes. If the mother has infections like torch infections, so if your doctor says you to have the torch infections panel, so please get that panel and don't avoid it, and as it can be effectively eradicated. Then substance abuse, you should avoid all the alcohol and smoking and drugs, and the anti-epileptics can cause problems in the first trimester of pregnancy, so you should avoid that unless advised by your doctor. Then radiation exposure like CT scan and MRI scans can cause abnormal child development. Then perinatal causes like birth trauma that can result from that in diabetic patients with the increased head size of the child or baby. And then hypoxic ischemic injury, that is actually the lack of oxygen to the brain when the child is born. Then prematurity, and the most important in postnatal causes is in meningitis and encephalitis, that is actually the bacterial infection of the meninges of the brain, and it can later result into cerebral palsy and then severe malnutrition. So this was all about the causes of the abnormal child development. So please like, subscribe, share, and have a good day. Thank you so much.